Grok AI is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Grok AI, a company founded by Elon Musk. Unlike traditional search engines or standard chatbots, Grok is designed to provide real-time answers by having access to up-to-the-minute information, including data directly from social media platforms like X, formerly Twitter. This allows it to generate responses that reflect the latest news and trends. When you interact with Grok AI, it works much like other chatbots. You type a question or request, and it replies in natural language. However, Grok distinguishes itself through a unique sense of humor and a conversational style. It aims not only to inform, but also to entertain and engage users with witty remarks and clever observations. For example, if you ask about current events, Grok might give you the facts, and then add a playful comment or meme-style joke. Technically, Grok operates using large language models trained on vast quantities of textual data. It combines general-purpose knowledge with real-time updates, and by using natural language processing, it can understand context, nuance, and even some subtlety in user inputs. Grok AI is still evolving, with ongoing improvements to its accuracy, safety, and ability to detect misinformation. Its integration with social media means that it can sometimes generate content that is more timely and relevant than other chatbots. This blend of immediate knowledge, personality, and dynamic interaction makes Grok AI a notable advancement in the AI chatbot space.